Hey Ontario, Canada homeowners. Protect your biggest investment and your loved ones from unexpected financial stress with mortgage protection insurance. It's a game changer when life throws surprises your way. Mortgage protection insurance with a life insurance policy offers coverage that doesn't shrink as your mortgage balance decreases. You or your loved ones decide how to use the funds, whether it's paying off the mortgage, handling household expenses, or other financial needs. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your family won't be burdened if something happens to you. Mortgage insurance through a bank often decreases in value over time. Your premiums may stay the same, but the coverage goes down. Plus, the lender is the beneficiary, not your family. With mortgage protection insurance, you're in control. Keep your coverage level steady and ensure your loved ones receive the payout. It's about safeguarding your family's future. If you call Ontario, Canada home, explore how mortgage protection insurance can protect the place you love most. Visit healthwealthlife.ca to contact our professional advisors today. Your future self will thank you.